If I could, I would pick myself out this mess. Oh, if I could, I would pick myself out this madness. You know that you control me. Guilty self-affliction. Prey on me when I'm lonely, and I'm your willing victim.